Deep cleaning on Asus FX506HM gaming laptop. Thank you, Sir Vincent, for trusting PTT IT Solutions. Performing a deep cleaning on the Asus FX506HM gaming laptop is a smart and highly recommended move, especially for maintaining optimal performance, cooling efficiency, and hardware longevity. Gaming laptops generate a lot of heat and dust buildup in the fans, and heat sinks can block airflow, leading to thermal throttling and reduced performance. A deep cleaning helps maintain proper cooling, improves performance. When the cooling system is clean and efficient, the laptop can maintain stable frame rates and smooth gameplay without sudden performance drops due to overheating. Dust-clogged fans have to work harder, making them noisier over time. Cleaning them restores proper airflow and reduces unnecessary fan noise. At PTT IT Solutions, we take immense pride in offering precise and reliable laptop repair services. Our skilled technicians use advanced tools and methods to ensure that every repair is handled with the utmost care. The cleaning is done. Visit our shop to avail our service and have your deep cleaning too. Follow our page for more videos. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned.